Right, next up is the awesome Firecracker. BlackBox machine, of course. Some of them were converted into these actually, so Tuppenny Chancellor and Fiesta were Firecrackers at one time, but the two I've got were Gamblets, which I haven't got a Gamblet though, which is basically the 5p version. This is obviously the more serious gambler's machine, if you like, because this is a 10p play, £2 jackpot. It's probably the most popular BlackBox machine, the one that everyone seems to want. No, I don't know why. I prefer the 2p conversions. It's just a personal choice. But obviously, I've got a Firecracker, so, and many people have wanted to buy this. I've had emails, all kinds of people want to buy it. But anyway, so this is a £5 challenge, obviously, because there's 50 credits in, but these are maybe £4 coins. So this is basically... It's more close to Tuppenny Chance than it is Fiesta in its traits, if you like. So, anyway, we've got 50 credits. That's my bloody light, you can see, look. Anyway, you're going to see that in the glass, and not much I can do about that. I'm not moving the machine now. So here we go, 50 credits on BlackBox, well, Bell Fruits, Firecracker. Nice set of reels on this as well, actually. Exactly the same as it. Oh, but this one you can gamble on the two ways. It's double or nothing, yeah, it's double or nothing, same as Tuppenny Chance. So it's not like Fiesta, where you've got a chance of winning something. Well, you're guaranteed to win something. And then again, 50p light goes out. Oh, these little quirks, I do like. £2 jackpot. This one can be mean and generous. Maybe the first ever streaking machine, who knows. Anyway, double or nothing again. Nothing. Oh, we've got to hold. This can hold after hold after hold if it wants. So we'll hold them two, obviously. Let that spin. 20p. There you go. £2 in tokens, of course. Let me get them out before I carry on. So we've got £2 back out of the 5. Right, we'll hold them. Like I say, can hold it over and over this thing. So £2 in nice brass tokens. Ooh. We'll hold them too. There's only one on each reel, I think, or maybe two on the middle one. 33 goes. As you probably tell, these machines are sort of slightly before reel drop sounds. Oh, there you go. Nudges time. I haven't even looked what's on here. I do not know the real order before anyone says anything, so I've no idea. I can see them. I'll probably go. Yeah, I'll probably go up. I'll go up. So random. 5 nudges. I've got to win. There you go. So yeah, like I say, this machine is a totally original game. Not been converted, not been messed about with. Well, apart from a glass that I put in. I managed to get hold of a brand new bottom glass for this, new old stock. That obviously have been bought and not used in any machine. Ooh. I'll hold the bell. Again with this, once you hold, there's no cancels. You've got to stick with it. It can be a nuisance if you accidentally hold something. As you can see, it's in immaculate condition. These machines tend to go around the reels quite quickly, these stars and that get lost. They're stored in poor conditions. Well, we've got £2 in tokens, 16 goes. Oh, I think we'll take that. Even tells you've collected down the bottom corner. But we'll take that. Sometimes it's best to collect, obviously, if you're trying to sort of play it like you would in the arcade. So that's £3. Obviously 10p's and tokens. Oh, you've got the old 27-way wind bells, like nearly all bell fruits. Nothing. Alright. Oh, I can see the melon down there, so we'll go up again. Nice sounds, isn't it? Yep, we got it. We've got a jackpot. Oh, you pig! Oh, you freaking idiot. Oh, there. Shit. I missed it. I didn't see that. That totally had me, and I'm leaving the video up, so it is as it is. I'm not doing it again. Oh, what a plank. I should know better than that, shouldn't I? Bloody hell, I own the machine and I still can't get it right. I bet all of you have done that, the older people. So that's £4.60 so far. Could have been £5. 7 goes. Bells. Oh, go on. Bloody hell, again. So that's 3, 4, 65, 60, £6.20 out of this. £6.20, yeah. 5 goes, 4 goes. So not bad. More than our money in. Ooh. 1, 2 goes. Let's go. £6.28. No idea why, but these ones, they don't have a trap mode. There's absolutely, Firecracker just sits there like that. Does not have an attract mode like that does next door. So it is what it is. Anyway, that was Bellfruit's Firecracker, and thanks for watching.